Viva!
Viva!
Republic of South Sudan, Unity State Bentiu, Shadi El-Fayam Declaration Message, Bid County. I, Col.Kun, and my deputy, Galwa Manyang, hereby informing the entire community that I am the former White Army of Shadi El-Fayam of Bid County. I would like to declare myself to SPLM-IO under the leadership of Sector 2, Division 4A, Brigade 3, led by Brigadier General Malek Witornya. This declaration consists of the following officers with the rank 2 Colonel, LT Colonel 8, Major 16, Captain 24, First LT 36, Second 44, Total Officer 122, and all soldiers 516. Therefore, I would like to acknowledge that the fact I would be the soldiers potential participant under the leadership of SPLM-IO. Viva SPLM!
Viva!
SPLM-IO Viva!
Viva!
South Sudan Viva!
Viva!